factory of 280. So 280, it can be written as 2 times 140. 2 times 140, it is 280. 140, it can be written as 2 times 70. 2 times 70 mean 140. 70, it can be written as 2 times 35. 2 times 35 mean 70. 35, it can be written as 5 times 7. So 5 times 7 mean 35. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 2, 5 and 7. So we can write 280 is equal to the product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times these 2 times these 2 times 5 and times 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.